And what are we doing?
Skydiving!
Woohoo! Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers.
Yeah.
You guys trust all of us to throw you out of airplanes even though we just met?
That's right, perfectly good airplane.
You guys are crazy. Whose idea was this? All right. So, if we don't make it to anyone's last birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions?
Still goes to the grave.
Too many. Too many. You don't have enough time.
Let's get out of here, go have some fun in the sky, guys. Next time we see you, we're blasting off. Woo! High five.
We got all that.
Got you too. All right.
Hey, let's go have some fun.
All right, here we go. Ready to get in, get up, get out of this bird, go have some fun in the sky?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go rock
Yes.
skydive.
If you live, I'm gonna.
High five, let's go have some fun. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Colorado up here. We got Mike right out in front of us. Giving a nice roll around, nice and smooth. Heading right up, that way is Royal Board. Got that beautiful top that's up. And the big pictures. Look at that. Gorgeous up here, huh? Alright. Give me a high five, you up here? Yeah. Woo! There's your friend right there. All right, you did it. You went skydiving. How are you doing?
My buddy Lee, I'm fine. I was beautiful up there. I might do that again.
What was your favorite part?
The smoothness.
You like that
and the
canopy
turns.
ride, huh?
I like that turn too.
That's absolutely my favorite part as well. Here we got the last guy coming on in.
That's Roger.
Woo! Let's watch this. Ooh, look at him go.
Is that fire? Oh, cool. Roger! Yoo-hoo! How can we do that helmet?
For our safety against your head. All right, high five.